In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Threads from Instagram. This is a brand new application from Instagram that is similar to Twitter, and it's actually competing with Twitter. So to download it, it's very simple. Either head to the Apple App Store if you're on iPhone, or if you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. Okay, then I'm on it right there, but all you want to do is in the search bar of your Play Store, you just want to type in, let me just go back. So here, you just simply type in Threads like that, and then you hit search, and it says there Threads and Instagram app. That's the one that you want to tap on. So tap on that one. Now for me, it says open because I've previously installed the application, but if you haven't installed it or downloaded it yet, it's going to say download. Then you just want to make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection, and then you want to hit the download button. It is a very relatively small file, less than 100 megabytes, so it should be okay to download on data as well if you're not on Wi-Fi at the current moment. So just tap on download. The download will begin automatically, and then when you have successfully installed it, then you can just hit open, and then you can use the Instagram Threads app, and that's all there is to it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.